Hello e-clubbers, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an inspiring story that's all about courage, trying your best, and how sometimes success isn't about winning, it's about showing up. In a small village, there lived a boy named Rishi. Now, Rishi had one big challenge. He was terrible at speaking in front of people. Every time he tried, he would freeze, mumble, or forget his words. Kids would laugh, and even teachers, they would skip him during class activities. One day, Rishi's school announced a storytelling competition. Rishi wanted to join, not because he wanted to win, but because he wanted to prove something to himself, that he could do it. He practiced everywhere, in front of mirrors, cows, and even ants on the ground. The big day came, and Rishi climbed the stage, his hands trembling. He forgot his 2 lines. But guess what? He didn't stop. He took a deep breath and kept going. His story wasn't the loudest or the flashiest, but it was real. It was his story. When he finished, the room was silent. No applause at first. Then the principal stood up and gave him a quiet nod of respect. Slowly, others followed. It was a soft, gentle applause, but one that said, "You did it." And that's the thing, e-clubbers. Sometimes the loudest success isn't about winning a trophy or hearing a big cheer. It's about having the courage to try, even when it's scary. So next time you feel like giving up because you're afraid or you think you're not good enough, remember Rishi. Success can be quiet, but it's still powerful. If you like the story, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a little courage today, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories right here on eClub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.